Gigi's choking. Alright, we're gonna do the Dougie, y'all. Ah! I don't know if this is gonna work. It's not working, so I have to hold it. I can't do it with you. Hold up. Damn it! I'm trying this. We're seriously trying this. We can't see Gigi.
Stop recording me.
Don't hate, appreciate. Damn it. I can't get you. I can't get us, actually. No! I didn't do it! I swear. Teach me how to... Damn it! Okay. Wait.
Hey, Jayla taught me how to do this.
Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie. Teach me how to duck. 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 Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
That good party, I don't really like to biggie. I'ma put the pen away and try to be the red bone. She do a Dougie and every girl hating. Are you gonna die on me? I wanna run it even if her legs long. She like you heavy, I think she love me, but I change the subject and I do my Dougie. I have no butt. Do you think we have butt? This is awkward question, but answer.
Comment yes or no.
I just see the Dougie win. Everybody clubbing and they yell CSD. Keep it moving. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me.
I'm hot.
Everybody love me. You ain't messing
really now.
Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to
like,
duck.
hard as hell.
Wait, how did you do it? Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my
Will you stop stepping on things? Look, it's like this.
I'm done.
But Jayla did it like this. Jayla did. He said. That's how Jayla did. Like this. Serious. Put the Cat Daddy on.
Okay. We're gonna do Cat Daddy also for y'all.
Yeah,
So.
He was like this.
Who sings that? Rejects?
Yes.
Do. A little rejects.
Cat Daddy.
Okay. I'll be back. I'm gonna go change to some shorts. Where are my shorts?
Hello, beautiful.
Where are my
Very
shorts?
good neighbor. State Farm is there. Hi, Anthony. How much does my discount double check save me?
About 150.
Done.
I have no insurance.
Insurance find me money.
Never mind.
Got you
Screwed
the
it.
dollar. Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Having insurance isn't the same as having State Farm. There to help you with unexpected savings. That's getting to a better state.
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a...
true winner. Jeans skinny like squirrel. Looking for your girl, just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber. Wrist cold, mama call it winter. Fullin' dillin', daddy call it dinner. Baby got shelter, call it dinner. BS Jackson's get it with the liver. Cat daddy when I Dougie Cat Daddy when I remember. Competition, see the crease, they surrender. Wide clef, now I'm gone in the river. Move your arms like you will chest up. Drop low, grab your shoulder like tell the radio to bang this. Big up to my bro Sam, he the king of this. Call me SpongeBob, Krabby Patty. Back go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Back go to work, do my cat daddy.
Bob?
They are appropriate size.
I don't care.
I said I like it though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Jeje.
I was just talking about the coochie cutters you be wearing.
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out it?
Man, I go to work, true winner. Jeans skinny like squirrel. Looking for your girl, just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber. Wrist cold, mama call it winter. Fullin' dillin', daddy call
Give
it
me some strippers, but give me some shorts.
Shelter call it dinner. BS Jackson's get it with the liver. Cat daddy when I Dougie Cat Daddy when I remember.
And they say love.
See the crease, they surrender. Wide clef, now I'm gone in the river. Move your arms like you will chest up. Drop low, grab your shoulder like to tell the radio to bang this. Big up to my bro Sam, he the king of this. Call me
SpongeBob, give me cat daddy. Bitch, I gotta work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, give me cat daddy.
You're too short, I'm too long. I'm in the club all black.
Oh, anytime.
Black headlights, I'm too on. Do my cat daddy going nuts. I'm a move for this. When it comes to the yard, I'm the coolest kid. I'm in my prime barbecue grill, and it smells like all around my. I black head like a goalie, pockets guacamole. Checks in your fake, at your neck like a rolling. Daddy with your chick, she ate the cat daddy loaded. So I even junk and keep on them all. She's a cool hey, yeah, I'm cracking like a newborn rooster. Take a chick in the mall, yeah, we call that boosting. Don't get mad, it's your chick, she juicy. Daddy haters screaming, what the no.
Bitch, I gotta work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, do my cat daddy. Bitch, I gotta work.
Tell him about cat daddy for a screw. Chain cost a couple grooves. J-Hawk, man, slap him on the track and dance. You gon' wanna learn it for a up in the range, River Park like Yosemite. Have a chim dog, go like a chimney. Now it's study of matter, energy is chemistry. Haters don't matter, drain my energy. Fit it in a funk, I daddy bitch come up, swing my arm. Baby, I'm thugging every weekend, I'm clubbing. Show me love and the fade is nothing. Rain on me every day, same pants. Since the day I was born, I've been a star.